What's up, y'all? So I'm excited for this video because I'm a person that's always looking for goodies on the side of, like, if I'm driving down a residential street and people are cleaning out stuff. I have found some jewels, and I spotted a real good jewel yesterday. So this is, boom, a Hoover wind tunnel vacuum, but it's in impeccable condition. Like, it's dirty, yes, but if you look, so this is the filter, one of the filters. It's a dual filter, but look at that. You see how clean it is? Oh, there you go. See how clean it is? Like, we are truly blessed. So we're driving in one of the neighborhoods close to where we live, and like, what's up? So I'm gonna unhook this too. I'm gonna show you the other filter, so you can see that. But this is the other filter. So, you know, with stuff like this, you can tell how well it's been taken care of the inner workings of it. But look at that, y'all. It's clean. Like, I'm so happy and excited. But what I wanted to share with you today is how I'm going to clean this bad boy up. So, but yeah, it's beautiful. I'm going to show you even like the roller, the vacuum roller. But it's in great condition. So I'm super excited. You know, everybody at the house, everybody's spending a lot more time in the house cleaning and whatnot. So I just want to share with you what I'm doing with this new vacuum that we got. Boop, boop. And so look, y'all. Let me see. The high and low setting. So I'm just all around stoked. So what I'm using to clean it is Fabuloso, the purple kind. So, and some hot water and a cleaning rag. And so we finna get to it. So I just want to share it with you, okay? All right. So I'm gonna put the full name of the vacuum in the comments below. Just wanted to share. So stay tuned. All right, so I have cleaned it pretty good. I went, of course, you saw the clips, but so I went and cleaned everything really good. I got the canister clean and this other, I don't know what part this is called, but that is amazingly clean. So we're good to go there. So I'm just gonna let these parts dry. I'm gonna do some more detailed cleaning on it with Q-tips and whatnot. All right, y'all, so I'm done. Me and Bay straight up had to take the back part of this off to unclog a hairball. So we've gotten this thing back together. It was like, I don't know, about 10 to 12 screws we had to undo. But all right, so this is the finished final product. I am so proud of myself. I'm so proud of me and my husband because we cleaned this bad boy up and it looks so good. So good. Look at there. Look at there. Ain't nothing a little bit of soap and water will not take care of. This was the DIY project completely done for a little curbside treasure that we found. So I hope you all did enjoy this video. I hope all is well. God bless, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.